Do you ever get in one of those moods where you want a thing, but you don't know how to get it? Or you don't want to order it, but you don't know how to make it? Well, I'm in that mood. I really want wonton soup. It's one of my favorite soups. I don't have that. But what I do have is frozen pot stickers. Which, by the way, those are fantastic if you put them in the microwave. But pot stickers does not soup make. So we're gonna try this. I got a bunch of different things and I'm just gonna put them together and we're gonna see if it works. Come along if you wanna find out. All right, so this is my plan. I got some water boiling. So I'm just gonna get a bowl and put, I don't know. Well, they're all stuck together, so there's that. I'll put it 4 if I can get another one to come out. Okay. And if you're wondering why I have water boiling in a kettle, I'm lazy. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm also gonna put some eggs in here. So, I'm gonna make my sauce and then, or actually here, we'll just take you off the eye and turn it off. You went faster than I thought you would. Okay, so, if you don't know where I got my bacon from, watch my video, shoot, I don't remember which one it was, but it was pretty recent. Okay, put some butter in here. While that's heating up, I can kind of show you what the other stuff that I got that I don't know if we're gonna use all of these things, but I got them. So I have sweet chili sauce. I have fish sauce. I have hoisin sauce. I have sesame oil. I have soy sauce. I have onion powder, garlic powder, Japanese 7 spice, some ground ginger, some sesame seeds. And I don't know if I'm gonna put this in there or not. I got this at Walmart. It's orange peel. I don't know, we'll find out. I'm not the biggest fan of orange chicken though, so I'll probably not. I'm gonna put my sesame seeds in here to just get them a little toasted and coat them in that butter. So it's probably too much butter to have in there with those sesame seeds, but I don't care. Okay, might go ahead and add my onion powder, my garlic powder. Probably should not pour it like this. Ginger. And I'm not the biggest fan of ginger either, so I went kind of light on that. And then I'm gonna put a lot of this. This is where I'm gonna get most of my flavor from. And again, if you've never had the Japanese 7 spice, it's got chili, sesame, red pepper, Szechuan pepper, ginger, white and black sesame seeds, orange peel, and nori flakes. And nori flakes is seaweed. I'm not a big fan of the texture of nori, but I love how nori tastes. These are kind of hanging out, getting nice and yummy. They smell really, really good. Okay. Dear Lord, that smells good. Bacon. All right, bacon. Break up. Break it up. All right, now to this, now that it's kind of going, and I want to kind of keep moving this around. I don't want those sesame seeds to burn. Kind of put those over there, and then I'm gonna put my 2 eggs straight in. And I'm gonna kind of try and pull those whites so that they don't spread too much. Okay. Then you're still frozen. Okay, and then I'm gonna put, eggs always need a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Here we go. Okay. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put the water that was in there with those in there. That's probably enough. Now be very careful with this. Go back there. I'm gonna actually move my candle because that is steaming a bit more than I thought it was actually. And we're gonna move it to the back eye. Just don't forget that one's hot. So now I'm just gonna kind of let this hang out. Give these a flip. I probably should have done this in a saucepan and not in a skillet, so that they would be fully submerged. There's my eggs. A little bit of hoisin sauce. You know what? We're gonna add the rest of this water. And that way I'll just have leftovers. I'm just going to kind of gently stir this around. I want those eggs just to cook through a little bit. I do have this cream of chicken I need to use up. It's not really what I wanted, but I need to thicken this anyway. It smells good. Okay, it's starting to taste better. I think we need some salt, some pepper, and I think I'm gonna put a little more of this in there. And just plain old soy sauce. All right, so it's been, I don't know, like 20 minutes maybe. I came in here and I cut all of them in half so that the broth could get in there with the filling. It still doesn't look like the most appealing thing in the world, but I hope it tastes good. And I am one of those people that I don't actually eat soup in a bowl. I eat soup in a mug. This is one of my favorite mugs. It says I'm not responsible for what my face does when you talk. And I love it. All right, let's turn this off. There's another problem with cooking this in this pan and not in a bowl. All right, and last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in here. Usually I would put this in a different container, but I figured that would be the easiest to dump. All right. So again, this is what it looks like in my bowl. It does look a little more appealing now that it's in this small bowl. All right, there's my bite. Look pretty good now. The other thing that I kind of wanted was some of the crispy wontons, and I don't have them. So I'm gonna put me some croutons. And these are croutons that I actually made myself. I bought a loaf of bread and I didn't like how it tasted, so I let it dry out, covered it with some canola oil and some garlic and some Italian seasoning, and then I put it in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. These are fantastic. That's all for this video. If you guys want to try this, let me know what you think of it. But yeah, that's kind of how I go about with my mom used to call them my inventions, where I just go in the kitchen and I'm like, what do I want? Do I want this? No. Let's put all the things together. But anyway, hope you guys have a wonderful night, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. What are you doing? Really?
Yeah. You gonna tell the people hello? Oh, okay. It's okay. Yeah.